Okay, there we go. We're all tidied up. All everything's buttoned down. All the bleeders are tight. We've got the level in our little expanding reservoir deals here, just where we want them. And then this is all the brake pedal we have. That's it. Gee, Robert, do the brakes work right there? Let me show you how well they work right there. That's just with a little hand pressure. Watch the old. That's locked up right there, and I'm just pushing out with my thumb. So actually, I should, knowing what I know, I went with the more aggressive pads when we went to MIS. I should actually move this rod up, so I have to push a little harder, because these are far more aggressive pads than I'm used to. I used to have the blue power pads in the front, gold power pads on the rear, or blue all the way around. Blue and gold was the happy spot. These are reds. These are far more aggressive, and they take very little pedal pressure to work. So we're happy. Brakes are good to go. Took the one of the brake bolts out, and what I'm doing is I'm making a bracket from here to keep this. Grattan's rough. Okay, this thing's going to be bouncing around, and granted, it only needs to last a 40-minute race, but as rough as it is, I'm going to put a bracket on there just to stabilize it and make sure this rig don't come off of there during that 40-minute race. You want to get all 40 minutes in, make sure the data we got is good. It's a good test, and so we want to give this thing every opportunity we can. So hope you enjoyed the brake videos. Just basically gravity feeding and purging out old fluid for new. There was no pumping of the brake pedal. There was no bleeding and unbleeding and none of that. There was no air. So, no issue. We're going to start working on, after we get this done, we're going to start putting the car back together. We're going to get water in it, flush the water, get water in it, fuel in it, and start it up and make sure it runs and all the batteries are charged and good, and everything's functioning the way it's supposed to, and then and no leaks, and we're ready to go. Next weekend we'll get the loading everything up. That's it from our RPM headquarters in Racing Roseville, Michigan. Love y'all. God bless you.